Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to unlock City 13 Project Delta. Only ways. Move to the Eastern Tram Station and obtain the encrypted keycard from the vendor behind the food kiosk. Next, power the maintenance terminal using 2 fusion cells and synchronize the terminal clock to 0300. Once synced, input the keycard into slot B and accept the relay handshake. Watch for the green indicator light before proceeding. Gather the essential items early to avoid backtracking. You will need an encrypted keycard, 2 fusion cells, and a functioning data uplink. Spare a medkit and a repair tool for junction fixes, and carry a portable jammer to bypass minor locks. If you lack fusion cells, trade credits with the street vendor near Dock 7. Remember to check the terminal clock and keep an eye on the indicator light when inserting the key. Start at the Eastern Tram and head north through the Market Alley to reach Dock 7. Enter the maintenance hub via the side service door and locate the terminal near the coolant tanks. Install 1 fusion cell, then the second, and set the terminal clock to 0300 precisely. Insert the encrypted keycard into slot B, confirm the relay handshake, and wait for the green light before opening the reinforced airlock to City 13.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.